So this is how you perform activity 1. So we're going to visualize this data using the column chart. Okay, so first is you highlight the data, click insert, and then you can click recommended chart here. So since we're after of the clustered column, you just click column and then okay. So you have it here, click plus, and then select data label, and at the same time the access title. Okay, so we can start writing here salesperson. I mean the contract sold, and then here are the salespersons. Just click that one so that you can edit the text. At the same time, this one here is I think this is about sales, no? Contract sales. Contract sold per per person, per sales person. Okay, that's it. The next one is to sort the data. So again, you highlight the data, click data, and then click this one instead of this, because there is a specification there that you need to sort it from highest to lowest. So click here, and then from the sort dialog box, you sort it by contract sold, which is column B, and then the order is from largest to smallest, and then you press OK. So as you can see, we already have sorted the data. The highest is Tim and the lowest is Christina. And after sorting, it also follows the it directly um, reflected in the chart. So you have it here. Okay, so I think that's all. That is the requirement for activity 1. And then don't forget to save that one using the specific file name that is written in the activity. Okay, so this is it. We can also click this one, by the way, this chart here. Just double click it. And then if you wanted to change the chart type, click lang nyo dire. You can do this one. And then you press OK. So the chart type, it's still column, but different design. So that's it for activity 1.